Just like waves, we fall and we rise, we move with the tide. Just like waves, follow me, just like waves to the sea. Let our hearts run wild. We come and we just go. Like waves. Follow me to the sea. Let the water take us. Follow me, we are free. Let the current wake us. We're watching the waves, kissing the shore, moving endlessly, back and forth like you and me. Follow me to the sea. Let our hearts run wild. Just like waves, we fall and we rise, we move with the tide. Just like waves, just like waves, just like waves. We come and we go, high and then low. Just like waves, just like waves, just like waves.
You say we're broken, that the storm has spoken, but I still feel something alive in the night. You say we're fading, but I keep waiting for one more spark to bring us to life. We've been like fire, burning in motion, too wild to last, but too strong to hide. So if it's beyond us, then let it find us under the endless sky, and I will still be here. Keep watching the sky. I'll keep looking up for a reason why. I will still be here. Keep watching the sky. I'll keep looking up for love tonight. You say it's over, but I'm not colder. The stars still whisper that love never dies. You blame the seasons, but I see reasons to try again and not say goodbye. We've been like fire, caught in the ocean, too wild to last, but too pure to lie. So if it's beyond us, then let it find us under the endless sky, and I will still be here. Keep watching the sky. I'll we just move away. And even when the dawn arrives, the light remains. And I will still be here, keep watching the sky. I'll keep looking up for a reason why. I will still be here, keep watching the sky. I'll keep looking up.
Hello.
For love tonight.
Hello. Hello.
Yo, Victoria,
Sometimes I think of
mambo
Poa.
the nights when
yenda tena
that
wapi?
was free.
Hata sikuwa najua umenitumia
We were young and
Je, uko unajua?
didn't
like,
care
nilikuwa ndani
what
utanitumia 10. So naona imefika 10 ndo nimeangalia.
the world.
Let me reduce this thing. Okay. Umesema ati ulikuwa unafanya?
Nasema
Uh-huh. Unasema ukahang.
Sometimes the road gets long, I lose the light ahead, but your voice still keeps me calm, like the words you never said. It might take all we've got, but I know we'll make it through the rain, through the rain. And if you take my hand, I'll show you the way to a brighter place. We can fly away. No, nothing in this life could ever fade the way it used to feel. No, but we can make tomorrow better than today. Better than today. We'll find another way. We'll find another way. Better than today. Hold on, the night will fade away. The sun will rise again someday. Let's make tomorrow better than today. And if you take my hand, I'll show you the way to a brighter place. We can fly away.
hello.
Yo,
Yes.
what's happening with your internet?
My dad had called.
Oh,
Baba
baba anasema nini? Nauliza
alikuwa tu
kama mtoto ameenda shule. Nauliza kama mtoto ameenda shule. Hujaenda shule.
Sai si una shule sai.
Oh. Okay. Let's do it. You have to share your chat. I want to do a trade journal na wewe tuone ulifika wapi. Which trade are you in right now?
Gold or still gold.
Uko kwa?
Gold bado.
Oh, gold bado. Oh, uko bado kwa the buy?
Eh.
Mimi nishatoka kwa buy, nafanya kwa buy bado. Okay.
Oh, wewe ulishatoka?
Yeah, I visited these areas. Though I'm still expecting gold to come to these areas. These are my target areas for me to take a sell up here.
Hadi mimi hapo kwa 4,900.
Yes.
Yes, I'm also expecting that.
Yeah, so technically still if we break below here, I'm still seeing gold coming a little bit lower before we push up. Maybe we get a retest hapa chini. Yeah, so but it was a nice buy. This was a nice buy. Okay, hi. Let me see if I'm going to. You have to share your screen. There.
Laptop yangu ndo acha iwake, ndo inawaka.
Sawa. Oh, Iran imekubali. Finally. Iran finally imekubali ceasefire.
Si niliona, but nadhani ni Donald Trump ndo ame negotiate kidogo.
Iran ndo imekubali, ime request at least nini. Pakistan, I think those negotiators ndio wame request like a 2-week ceasefire kidogo.
But hiyo kwani Strait of Hormuz iko aje noma hivyo?
Kwa nini?
Cause kama inaweza hivyo Donald Trump,
Inaweza fanya nini?
kumtuliza, like unajua ame pipe down.
Unajua Trump, he has nothing to gain and nothing to lose there. The only thing is politics.
He lose. He has something to lose, imagine.
And that is whatever he has to lose is just it's the political nature of things, like because anakuwa criticized by many other countries because now goods zao, like a lot of businesses now are not going, but the US technically doesn't depend on anything there.
No, can I tell you something why he has something to lose? You see, hapo kwa hiyo Strait of Hormuz they wanatumianga dollar. So if Iran changes, tunaona Iran walikuwa wamesema wata change from dollar to Chinese yuan, inamaanisha the strength of dollar itapungua chini na watakuwa as rich as they are right now, because for you to pass there you need to buy a dollar ndo uweze kupita hapo.
Actually,
so if they change the currency of use, US
actually,
will not.
You see why the main reason US invaded that place is not is actually to try and go and sabotage that, because Russia and China were using BRICS to trade. They were not using the dollar. Okay?
Right now?
Yeah.
Are you sure, kweli?
Yes. So that trade was kind of expanding. That is the main reason why Trump had to take over Venezuela, to take control of the oil. And now he had actually to make chaos around that area. Okay? Sasa unajua make chaos around that area, he leaves China and Russia and India no other choice but to trade using US oil and to use the dollar. That's why you've been seeing the dollar going up lately.
Okay.
Yeah, unakumbuka like before the war the dollar was going down. True. Sijui kama unakumbuka.
Yeah, true.
The dollar was actually going down before your war ianze. Then Trump posted something akiambia watu I can flip that thing like a yo-yo. Like musione ati dola inaanguka. Don't musikue proud. I can make that thing go up like a yo-yo. Anaweza fanya iende juu iende chini venye nafikiria. 2 weeks after, what did Trump do? Watu walistuka tu Trump amebomb Iran. Yeah, now from there the dollar has been going up steadily fast. Like dollar imekuwa ikienda juu sana. And that is the impact umeona mpaka gold it has like gold was kind of now trending down.
But itarudi juu tena.
Aya, lately jana unaona wamefanya nini after the ceasefire, what happened?
Ilipanda.
Gold imeanza kwenda chini, dola ni kama imeanza kurudi chini. Why? I don't know, network yako inafanya ile kitu.
Gold imeanza kurudi chini.
Unakatika hata sikusikii, nakusikia ni kama umeenda kitchen na simu iko sitting room. Is oh no. Exit this one. Okay, NDX. Victoria,
Yes.
hey, what is happening?
Hey, I'm telling you, this Wi-Fi inaniaibishanga every day. We'll change it.
You have to change it. Ama tafuta fiber.
Every day inakwanga tu iko mbaya. Hakuna siku inakwanga poa. But you can hear me now, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh,
What were we saying?
you're telling me about hizo mambo za fight.
Yeah, so that is it. Lately, wacha tuone venye gold wants to behave. Because actually the reaction
My
to
God.
gold
Hello?
selling.
Oh, unanisikia? Oh, nilikuwa ndani
Nakusikia
unisikii.
lakini nakusikia nusu nusu, not fully.
Wah. Okay.
There sasa nakusikia. Wewe unanisikia?
Mimi nakusikia.
Yeah, so let's see what the dollar will do, but I think tumefika mahali gold ina suppose kwenda juu a little bit, but I'm also thinking there's a very massive sell also yenye inaenda kukuja.
Mimi nadhani hiyo sell itakuwa hapo juu
Yes.
kidogo, hapo around
Wewe na internet yako.
4,900 hapo.
Acha nikuchukue clip vile unaongea. Kwa 4,900. Ama inaweza kuwa internet yangu na mimi na blame yako. Let me see. Technically my net is okay.
Probably it's
Yep.
mine.
Yeah, mimi yangu iko sawa kabisa. Hiyo speed ina run at so nice.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Aya. Sasa with your internet, are we able to do anything? Yeah?
Yes, we can. We have to because we are here. Hey,
Aya, you
hey,
need to go to the
fascinating.
next step, huh?
Yeah. Yes. What's the next
First of
step?
all, I needed to check how you've been journaling, how you've been doing everything. So, are you able to just maybe share your screen, either the phone or something? Show me.
My journal is on my book.
Your journal is on your book.
In my book, sorry. Nimeandika chini.
Oh, so hauna nini? Hauna yenye
Sijaweka
umekuwa ukijournal kwa mashini. Sasa screenshot umekuwa ukifanya aje?
screenshot natumanga najitumia.
Unajitumia WhatsApp?
Eh,
Okay, you can just still show me how you've been journaling. I don't know. You can either share your camera phone, show me the book, alafu ukinionyesha hizo screenshot the way you've been doing it. Just wanna see it.
also,
Mm-hmm.
you see, acha basi ni join na simu ni kuonyeshe like ni
Okay, okay.
flip back camera. Oh, and also all my trades zilikuwa
Oh,
trades za
okay.
trend, si fair value gaps
Okay.
ama demand zone. So like everything nimetake hapa ni zote ni za trend.
Mm-hmm.
Eh, acha ni
It's
join.
okay. You can just show me the way you've been doing it. Just wanna see it.
Okay. Haya, nilianzanga hapa. Ngoja. Unaona?
Mm-hmm. I
I
can see
guess
it.
hizi ulikuwa umeshaona, ndo ukaniambia ni change venye na journal.
Uh-huh.
So I went and this is what I've been writing because bias zangu zote simekwambia ni trend.
Okay.
So
So let's go to the first trade.
so the first trade ilikuwanga ni US 30, ngoja, lower high. This I took the si clear, si ndo?
Mi naona sell, alafu naona sijui nini umeandika hapo. Naona the first column contains what? Naona ni US 30.
Profit.
The first trade is
Setup
what?
near US 30.
Setup.
Setup ilikuwa
Okay,
US
US
30,
30.
direction ilikuwa
Sell.
sell.
Mm-hmm.
Alafu hii P inamaanisha profits na hii L inamaanisha loss.
Mm-hmm.
Alafu hii bias ni
So
I never
profit was how much?
$91.
$91, okay.
Na ilikuwa like simekwambia all my trades ni za trend, so zote tu ni trend na
So
market structure.
that is what comment is there hapo kwa trend whatever ni nini hiyo umeweka hapo?
Oh,
You
nimeandika trend but sasa ndo nakuelezea why I took
aha.
this.
Okay. Juu
So
yake hiyo nini hiyo?
so juu yake hii si ni trading journal topic.
Unaona kwa hiyo column umeandika PL alafu L alafu hiyo ya mwisho ni
Bias. like
Hiyo ya
bias.
juu.
Nini ndo ilifanya nichukue hiyo trend?
Bias.
Eh,
Oh, okay. So your bias was the trend was up.
the no, the trend was downtrend. Ilikuwa ina
Okay.
sell.
Mm-hmm.
So ilikuwa sell but trend ya sell. And I took it
Okay.
at a lower high.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that is something you've not indicated. I don't know if you've said trend. Okay.
Mm.
That's why
Mhm.
do you have a screenshot of that trade?
Yes.
Okay, you able to show me?
Okay, acha niingie kwa WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
Share screen. Share screen.
Ama si uko na WhatsApp kwa PC yako? See, that could be easy. Sasa si unaweza nionyesha, si unaweza share tu screen yako kwa PC if ama si PC yako iko hapa pia.
Ziko hapa. Send request.
Fungua WhatsApp kwa PC and then you share hiyo screen ya hiyo nini, then you'll be showing me kwa book alafu unanionyesha yes.
Sawa. Umekubali request?
Yeah, nimekubali,
Yeah.
accepted.
Sure. Copy. You.
Mm-hmm.
Haya ilikuwa hiyo start Dow Jones. Ai, tena ili. WhatsApp yangu imerestart tena.
Oh, ya machine inakuanga hivyo sometimes.
Tungoje.
Na leo nasikia njaa haraka aje. Let me put some breakfast. Merudi?
Imerudi. Tumeenda kuweka breakfast the same time.
Oh, hata umeenda kuweka breakfast?
But nishachukua, nilikuwa nishatengeneza hadi.
Okay.
Ndio hii hapa. Bas. Ndio hii. Je.
Mm-hmm. You just shared the image ya huku share nini? Inaitwaje?
Link.
Link.
Okay. Laptop yangu imepotea tena.
Ololo.
Nishia na simu yangu.
Mm-hmm.
Ma tungoje tu.
Ngoja tu.
Oh.
Thank you, but I'm gonna try this for a month. Yeah, you go serious, okay?
But I there's something I'm struggling with.
What is it?
Your risk to management. Like I have noticed, if I get a loss, I am losing so much.
Okay, we're going to define it because it seems you're not defining your risk before you enter any trade. That is the first thing you need to do.
Yeah. So like every single time, yes, if I get wins are good. However, if I lose, I'm losing a lot.
No, that's not supposed to happen. That is a very wrong way to trade.
My WhatsApp, I don't know if it's my laptop which has an issue ama ni WhatsApp.
Itashinda ikirestart.
Inashinda ikirestart
Ama ni wewe umeiseti hivyo. You know, sometimes unaweza kuwa umeiseti hivyo.
Ah,
Uende kwa hiyo app setting
Haifanyangi
uangalie. Eh?
haifanyangi hivyo.
Or you utaitoa alafu uchukue ingine.
Juu inashinda ikirestart tu.
Sasa ukishafika kwa hiyo image, i-click, i-open hiyo image. So ukirestart utakuwa umeenda kwa hiyo image tayari. David Jifu. Hey. Jifu tena.
Nilikujua from Jifu. Ama ukumbuki?
Surely. Okay.
What is wrong with this? Sasa inakataa kwenda, restart tena.
Oh, fungulia kwa simu.
Tuachane na hiyo laptop. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Haya.
Oh, ala, umesahau. Sababu karibu wanakunywa.
This was the setup.
Ole, unanisikia?
Nakusikia?
Yes. I see the trend was going down, then you entered on the retest. Did you enter on the retest ama uli enter immediately?
Nilienta mali, unaona mali, ngojea kwa hiyo lower hapa chini. Mali kuna hiyo, unaona mali nimeandika after the support is broken, actively sell.
Yes.
Where I entered.
So ni kama uli enter at the retest, yeah?
No, it was not at the retest.
Si ndio nasema it broke then ikarudi hapo ikakuactivate. Yeah, so hiyo we call that a retest.
Oh.
Like it breaks, you wait for the retest, then is when you sell.
Yeah, hapo sasa ndo nilichukulia hiyo trade ya sell.
Oh, okay. That's nice. That is a perfect aim as well. So
And
you
also
only
the next ni your start buy. So unaona before you is sell. I was in that buy.
Oh, okay. So you are in the buy, but hiyo sijaona kwa journal yako.
Hiyo ndo the next sasa. Ndo nakwambia hiyo ndo next. So juu ni the same chart, ndo ndo nakwambia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kuna kitu umeniambia about your risk.
Yeah, my risk to reward yangu iko kombo sana. Cause if the losses I've taken ndo zimeni draw back cause ni kubwa kubwa.
Okay, so like just in the example of this trade, based on your tool yenye ulikuwa umeweka, how much were you risking, how much were you gaining?
Oh, I can't remember how much I was risking.
Definitely, ndio kwa maana unaona the importance of you putting that screenshot. Technically, with this trade, your losses were supposed to be lesser than your profit. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
So sijui kama kwa MT5 you did the same thing, because where your stop loss was is exactly where you're supposed to be putting your stop loss. Kama uliweka stop loss yako juu huko, then that was a wrong trade. You get it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Unaweza kuwa uliwin but you won doing the wrong thing.
Yeah.
So siku yenye itakuja kukubite, it will bite you harder. Like you're training yourself to lose in the long term. Yeah, so let's go to maybe the next trade. Let me see. I want to see something.
Next trade was BTC sell. Ngoja. Hata ningekuwa naandika dates.
Naona trade pair mingi.
Oh yeah, it was this.
Wewe ni OG.
Na trade tatu. BTC, US30 na gold.
Okay.
Yeah. But hata nimetoa BTC sasa na US30, nabaki tu na gold.
So this is
BTC sell. This was the BTC sell.
You entered where?
Hapo mali kuna hiyo line.
Na hiyo support. Okay. Let me see how you journaled it kwa book.
Is my camera still on?
Yeah, I think it's on.
Unaiona?
Yes, naiona.
Ndio hii hapa.
Mali umeweka mkono sioni huko. Sell. So there's something bado naona auja incorporate kwa nini yako, which I really wanted you to be able to. Nataka journal yako ikuwe rahisi kuread, okay?
What am I doing wrong?
Your journal is actually okay. The only thing is you're not indicating like there's something very important that you should incorporate in your journal, and that is lesson learned.
Oh.
After a trade play out, okay? Mali kuna win ama loss, mbele yake there's always a comment part. You want to identify why you lost that trade.
Yeah, I've written my lessons ndo hizi hapa. Ngoja.
Sioni nini yako tena sijui. Nani anakustua?
Kuna mtu ananishtua, ni juu sioni kama so niache kushare screen.
Unaweza acha kushare screen.
Haya, ngoja kidogo basi. Ndo hizi hapa lessons. Okay. Hizi mistakes I've done na lessons. Some mistakes ni lessons from hiyo week yenye nili trade. Like I formed the markets. Na he entering the market from higher highs and lower highs. I guess nikienta hapo kwa higher highs, lower highs ndio hizo loss kubwa zinaingililia. because of course at a higher high price will reverse.
Yes.
Yeah. Those are the sasa hapo kwa comment na vitu za kulana sikuandika hapo, sikuandika hapa. Niliandika the previous page hapa.
Okay. So it's okay. So long as it's because it's your personal journal, it's something that you yourself you're able to understand and read it. It's okay. Okay?
Yeah.
Bora you don't find yourself repeating the same mistakes. But wakati umezijournal vizuri and when you're doing your review or you're doing your revisions and everything, and they go easy for you to your mistakes and not to repeat them. So ukianza kuona the same mistake like you're repeating them, just subconsciously your mind inakuwa alert.
Okay.
Like you're facing a concurrent situation, kitu yenye iliwahi happen and then unaiona and then kuna venye mind yako inastukanga tu, it's like incident nimeiona mahali, ama unakuwa like mtu ni kama nimemuona in my past ama in my future. So you'll find yourself protecting yourself from such trades. That is if you take good journal na umekuwa ukizireview ukiona ni nini umekuwa ukifanya. Yeah, so hapo kwa losses ndio inafaa uangalie sana, like you should always be targeting. Are you targeting a 1:5, a 1:2? When do you break even? Okay. And when do you just let the trade run? Okay. Hapo ndio inafaa uanze kuangalia, out of 10 trades I've taken this week, how many did I win, how many did I lose?
Yeah, sasa hapo ndo ilikuwanga ni shida yangu. Hapo ndo na struggle nayo. Ndio nilikuwa nakwambia.
So this is why we strongly I strongly encourage right now bado uko kwa hiyo learning process. Okay?
Yeah.
I know now you're still in that sijui kama unasikia my echo huko nyuma.
Asisi.
Right now bado uko kwa hiyo learning process. So is when you now be identifying the trades that are currently working for you, the trades that are not currently working for you. And once umeona like most of this, if I'm entering at these areas, mostly easy trade wanga zinanipea na zikinipea zinanipea ngapi? You get it? So you wanna execute the same setup over and over and over and over again. Okay?
Okay.
By that, you'll be able to know if at least I take 10 trades, I have the possibility of winning 10 trades and maybe lose 2 trades. Okay?
Yeah.
Hiyo utapata umedefine risk yako vizuri sana.
Actually, nime notice hizo losses like my good wins are from like nikianga this is how I do. Naangalia venye uliniambia naanza from higher time frame. I check what I start from the daily and then I scale down to the 1 hour, and then I'm having a clue of what the market is doing. And so when I'm having the clue of what the market is doing, I try to mark the if it's depending on the trend, I'll mark the higher highs and higher lows or lower highs and lower lows. And then I'm the good, like the good trades zenye nimefanya ziko na profit mingi is when I end, if it's a down, if it's a trend inaenda hivi juu, if I enter the higher low, I will definitely have a good risk to reward ratio. But sasa hizi zenye nimelose hizi kubwa ni wakati naingililia huko juu mali trend ishaenda juu.
Okay, it's like you're FOMOing, unajaribu kulazimisha trade.
Yeah, na FOMO. Sasa hizo loss zangu kubwa ni za kufomo.
That is a big lesson. You know what not to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you make sure every trade that you are executing, is it working to my plan, ama what is it doing?
And nakuja kuona kama venye ulikuwa unaona saizi ukisema mali sell inafanyika, nilikuwa nishaona mali inafanyika. Hello?
Hear you. Oh, sorry, nilikuwa
Umejimute.
I can't hear you.
So if tuseme ni kenye nimekuja kunotice the high fair value gaps za 1 hour na 4 hour ndio market kama tuseme kama ina trend on a certain direction, hapo ndo ina retraceia. So like you see on gold, si trend ya last week was inaenda juu, ikafika
Yeah.
kwa ile fair value gap kubwa, ika retrace, ikarudi like nika ina retrace.
Yeah.
So I've noticed like most of the places mali market ina retraceia, if depending on a trend ni kwa fair value gap. So every single time I'm taking a trade, naangalia kwa higher time frame, either 1 hour ama 4 hour ama daily, hiyo fair value gap kubwa iko wapi, cause hapo the higher time frames iko stronger, so definitely market itareversia hapo.
Yeah.
That's what I've noticed. No, hadi saizi like the gold trade, it will most probably reverse at hapo juu at the 900, cause hapo ndo the biggest fair value gap iko yenye ijakuwa touched.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I've noticed.
Yeah, so those are the main key things that you really need to note, because you want to execute the same setup over and over again. If I show you my things, like for me, I execute the same setup over and over again. Most like you'll find me either entering at the 618, the 786, and exiting at the 0, ama nitoke at the negative 618, over and over again, all of my trades. If I lose at least 2 trades or 3 trades, I know I only need 1 trade to recoup my money back.
Yeah, you see, now that's my biggest issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in case I have like 5 wins consecutive, I'll have to have like 10 losses ndio ni lose, because my risk to reward ratio is about 1:3.
Okay.
So unaweza pata on a good week, if I executed like maybe let's say on Monday I did a trade, Tuesday I managed to get a setup, Thursday nika lose, then Friday most of the time I don't trade. Okay. I'll find myself nimechukua maybe 5 trades, but out of those 5 trades I'm still on a streak of about 7% win.
Yeah.
And because I lost maybe 2 trades, ninajipata if I'm losing 1%, if I'm winning 3% or 2%.
I guess I need to work on that. Hiyo ndo
So that is something that you really need to be consistent with. So right now, nataka, I wanted you to do something different, okay? I'm going to send you a link, okay? I want you to register into a prop firm. Don't buy an account yet.
Yeah, of course.
I want you to practice it, okay? Wachana na demo sasa, nataka ni uchukue sasa ya prop firm. I want you to practice it. Then when you're good in it, then you're going to take a challenge. You're going to purchase a challenge, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I think ukianza na 6K, that is pretty fine. 6K is about $39 or something. That is around 3K. I'll see how you're performing, then I'll see if I'll gift you one prop firm, okay?
Yeah, quick question. Nasonga vizuri? Like, am I making a good progress?
You're actually progressing well. Just rectify on hizo vitu ndogo hizo, because you don't want to be losing more than what you're gaining. You don't want to ushinde trade leo and then you give it back tomorrow to the market. Sorry, nimechoma mayai yangu yote.
Mongua.
Yote. Not so bad. It's golden brown.
Iko crispy.
Yeah.
Iko crispy.
Sawa.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Nimeona like total guess my total losses ni imagine $425,
$425.
lakini win yangu ni $560. So kama 560 plus 425 8 ningekuwa na $985. Tuseme if I'd done like a good risk to hizo risk whatever like managing losses we say at most I lose maybe $200, right?
Sorry?
I'm saying
Mm-hmm.
since I started trading the total amount of money like hapa kwa demo nimepata ni $985.
How many losses in counting?
Sasa total number of losses like total amount of loss kipesa ni $425.
The number of trades of losses?
1 2 3 4 6.
6 losses.
Mm.
The total amount of trades you've taken?
Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, goja. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 30.
My friend, are you seeing how the math is not mathing?
Yeah, I've had less losses but the losses ziko domingi.
Umeona sasa, that is where now the risk management comes in.
Yeah.
Imagine out of 30 trades, yeah, you only lost 6 trades. Yeah?
Yes.
Out of 30 trades, you only lost 6 trades, meaning you were able to win 24
24.
trades.
Yes.
Okay? Let's say even your risk to reward ratio was 1:1.
Yes.
Okay? That is, if you risk $20, you were to gain $20. Out of 24 trades, yeah, you only lost, out of 30 trades, upoteze 6, utakuwa down 6%, na utakuwa up 24%. Sijui kama unapata hiyo analogy. So
Yes.
there's something that is the real deal that you really have to focus on once you've ukimaster hiyo, and I know Prop Farm is going to make you to be really itakubidi you respect that, because on a prop farm, if you lose like, is it 2% or 3% a day, you've blow your account. Naona? And it's something I think I talked to you. Make sure you're not losing more than 3% of your account a day. That's why nilikwambia ukiona trade sio entry yako sio fiti na nini na nini, what do you do with the lot size?
You reduce.
You reduce the lot size to make sure you fit your percentage risk.
Okay.
Actually, this is the mistake that the girl I was about to, alikuwa ingia hapa but nimeona tena yuko serious. That is Claire. She's still battling until today. Ever since we started learning trading with her from 2023, uko chini.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's always, ameshindwa kusettle mind yake, ameshindwa kusettle kurelax na kufocus on one thing. She's jumping over 1, 2, 3. Sasa hizi alikuwa ameniambia, oh David, I went into the NAS strategy ile ya nini, nimejaribu nikaona it's not working for me, so I'm thinking of coming back to the box strategy. Can you help me? Which video should I go on? Nikamwambia no, there's no video for the box strategy, utapata vitu mingi. Nikamwambia let's jump on a call, because I just wanted to see whatever she has been doing. Asubuhi napata message, oh, there's these strategies, I don't know, you identify higher highs, sijui nini na nini na nini na nini na nini. Ameenda ChatGPT imupe strategy. So ananiambia actually amenitext hapa hata nina okay, let me just, I can share my screen, you see, if you think it's just something. I want you to see how people are really tamaking around, and this is what is really costing them. Where is my thing? Let me share with you. Copy. No, this is a private message, but it's okay. I can just, for the purpose of sasa ni show to my entire screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
There she is.
First
of all, amenitumia chat hapa na nini yake kwanza imekuwa wrong. Hata nikashindwa sasa huyu, because I'm not even able to correct her. I want you to see. She started here. Okay. So, are you able to read? You can read.
About the box strategy, can it be completely on its own, or does it need things like support resistance or supply and demand alongside it? NAS strategy hasn't been working well for me, mainly because I can't trade during the key hours, so I end up missing a big chunk of the best opportunities because
Oh, nimekimbia.
yeah, but nimeshasoma contents hapo kwa hiyo ya NAS strategy.
So because huyu mtu ni mtu huwezi ongea na yeye like kwa text, so I just better jump on a call with her nione ni nini anafanya. So I schedule a call with her. Akaniambia atakuwa available. She tried to look at the kwa back office blah blah blah. She was actually doing great. Actually naweza kwambia Claire tumesoma naye Elevate. Kuna time nilitumia mpaka Elevate yake. There's a time like I missed like paying Elevate for almost 3 months, but I was using her Elevate. So angalia, ameenda wapi? Ameenda ChatGPT. Ndio hiyo imemcreatia strategy. Draw Fibonacci, high low, price 50%, 78.6 zone, yes, continue, blah blah blah. So I used na mwenye akona confidence akaniambia I used ChatGPT to give me a step by step guide, then sent it a picture to check my entry, TPS and SL. First of all, this thing is wrong. Look at this fib. So yeye ametumia ChatGPT hii kitu. First of all, venye ameweka tu hiyo fib kwanza, it's wrong.
Ajaweka kwa ajaiweka poa, ndo naona hadi.
Si unaona hajaweka poa? So I can't tell her because hiyo ni kitu tutaingia nawe kwa call nikwambie hii ni nini unafanya surely. She has been learning about the fib from ages.
Na bado anaweka wrong.
It's because of jumping into one thing or another. Leo uko unaingia huku, leo sijui unatafuta nini, mara I'm like, okay. The basics.
But I've noticed, najua hadi mimi sijakuwa nikitumia strategy. Nimekuwa tu nikitrade na trend.
Exactly. So you see, that's why we really, actually that is a strategy by itself, okay?
The trend?
Yeah, it is a strategy by itself. We kind of tell you to follow what?
Yeah, that's what you always told me. Ulikuwa unaniambia I follow, like I check the market structure and then I follow what the market is telling me, and that's what I've been doing.
Do you know that is a strategy?
No, I never knew. I just followed what you told me to follow.
So you're not just entering the market anyhow. You're having a plan. A plan is basically a strategy on how you're going to execute something.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
You at least, you don't just do something alafu nawacha for the universe to manifest ikulete pesa. Like you're not just doing it and then unaanza kuomba, kupray, you hope. You're having a calculated risk because you know what? Okay, this is a high, this is a what, this is a what. If I enter here, I think I might be okay. That is a strategy. You're not just coming blindly. Ile patapotea unasema haya, tunapiga mate, mahali mate itaenda ndio mahali tunaenda. Okay? So, and once you're able to hold on and to hold into one thing, actually, mi naweza kuambia there's no strategy that works. All strategy works for the person who has identified it. The only thing inakuanga, if you have learned something and you're able to see the patterns of it over and over and over and over again. So you see, here she's telling me she has to take again, how long? 30 days. And see how my cent account it'll perform. So I'm like, do you really need to take 30 days for you to identify something is not working? You can actually take literally 3 hours and just know this thing is not going to work for me. That is, you go to a trade and start backtesting. So this is another 30 days of she's going to be studying crap.
Na hizo vitu anatoa wapi though? Because if she was learning from you,
ChatGPT.
Because kama si mimi nimelearn from you na I'm doing whatever you told me to do. Sijaenda kutafuta vitu zangu.
Josa nakwambia, she's been jumping around huku. She went back to MDN.
MDN ile South Africa.
Meno ameng'ang'ana kulan nini na strategy because they only trade NAS. Ameng'ang'ana now is when I realize it's not working.
But you know why
the NAS strategy is working for some individuals.
But NAS, according to trend, nurse doesn't have any trend like for sijui for how long. Inafanya tu kile najisikia. Even if you check the charts za nurse, zinafanya tu, hakuna anything precise. Kama you see the way we are saying gold is trending in this direction and then it will do this. Hiyo iko kwa nurse.
Yeah, a good number of times nurse is, nurse especially na times of uncertainty kama hii. Nurse does whatever it takes because hizo ndio pairs zenye zinakuwa affected mostly na this war na fundamental, because nurse is like you're trading US companies. Those are US top tech companies.
Oh.
So US, they are mostly like top 100 companies za tech, easy tech, za AI, Google, whatever.
Oh, top 100.
Yes. So if there's some weird things going on, the wars and everything, you technically expect NAS to. That's why NAS react in a reactive even more than how Euro USD does react to when we have inflations. Wakati tunapata hizo inflation report, wakati tunapata hizo like zinapata direct correlation with the dollar. When the dollar, I don't know if kama umeona during red folders kukiwa na news during market open, NAS huwa zina behave funny.
Nilinotice hadi nikaachanga kuangalia NAS.
Yeah, so it's a pair that when you trade, you really have to have a very good insight of whatever is happening in the US economy and the world as well at large. Because if kama the last time there was this AI company in China that ilikuja na something very big. Ikaanza kusumbua this Nvidia za US na kuna ingine inaitwa aje, Nvidia, kuna like 3 companies zenye zilikuwa affected. What happened to those nini? Zilianguka kabisa. Because now let's say another company brings in offer services zenyu na ina offer services zenyu cheap, what will happen?
Mtaenda chini
Automatically. Kama hiyo kampuni yenyu inauza vitu zake expensive na kuna kampuni nyingine imekuja inauza your better things na inaziuza cheaper, see more customers will run to the other company. So automatically sales za kampuni yenu zitaenda chini. So until Nvidia had to buy that company from China.
Okay.
Umeona? So if you don't know such things, pia those kind of infos, unapata when NAS will be reacting weirdly, pia utapata you are just caught in the middle. You don't know what's happening. Yeah. Oh, hawa sasa. Okay, sawa Victoria. I think for today wacha nikunywe breakfast.
Na ulikuwa nifunze amaze. Umesahau?
Ilikuwa nikufunze amaze.
There are things you're supposed to teach me, uliniambia. Ilikuwa amaze na ukaniambia before you learn this, first go and see how the market acts. Unakumbuka?
Yeah. What time can you schedule for us to do with you amaze? Leo ni siku gani? Leo ni Thursday.
Leo ni Wednesday, kesho ndo Thursday.
Oh, leo we have a book study.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukumbuke that. So let's do this. Before the book study, wacha tuingie ni tufanye a quick 30 minutes with you on the amaze. Then tuingie kwa book study immediately. So book study tunaanza saa 5 ama saa 4?
Saa 5.
Saa 5. Okay. Tutaingia 10:30 with you. Tufanye a quick MA lesson alafu we'll jump into the book club immediately. See, that will work.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa.
Oh,
Kindly. Uh-huh.
yes. Hebu niambie vitu tunafaa kunifunza ndo nikukumbushe cause nakumbuka emails ndo usisahau nikuwe na kukumbusha.
So I'm gonna show you how to do MS. Mm, then I'll do to you a quick overview of what is the RSI. Nataka nikuonyeshe tu these indicators first. But I'll want you first to so first of all, I'll focus with you with the MA. Then I show you how to read the MA in my program myself. Then I'll give you access. Then from there, the next thing we might look at the RSI because I'll be incorporating the RSI and the ATR.
RSI and ATR.
Yeah, RSI and the ATR. So those are the things that I know zitakuwa fundamentals. Yeah, any other thing is from there. Now we'll be doing the box strategy with you.
Okay, box strategy.
Sawa.
Oh, so niko karibu kuwafikia.
Hata tayari umefika. Si unaona siku hizi nakwambia ingia kwa calls kwa zenye sisi tunafanya. Umefika tu, ni ile sasa bado you just have to develop some confidence to see the bigger picture more often.
Yes. But I've made so much progress.
Sana.
Hey, I'm actually proud of myself. Woi, nakumbuka mi sikuwa naingia market, nilikuwa tu na theory kwa kichwa.
Sasa I want you to, by the way, if you're serious enough, before April ishe, inafaa ukue umesha hata qualify one prop firm.
I'm serious. Sinaona
Yeah.
nimekuwa nikitake trades na nakuwa update how it's been going and my issues, vitu nimenotice zinanisumbua.
Uone vile pesa iko kwa prop firm. You guys see people bashing money outside there and then nasema wamekuwa hired. Yeah. Prop firms, there's money in trading. There's big money in trading.
Yeah, I just need to learn how to manage this risk to reward because you see many of my trades are wins.
Yes.
I just need to work on the risk to reward. I guess hiyo tu ndo kitu inanisumbua tu.
Yeah, usijali. I know that is always the harder part that a lot of traders take time there because risk to reward ratio goes hand in hand with psychology.
Yeah, true.
So that's why you see me so much focusing so much na the psychology part because I know learning how to trade is super easy.
True.
But so like right now, you know what to do.
Yeah, I know. Hata saizi unajua si have kumark charts hivyo sana. Uliniambia tu.
Yeah, but sasa you see, imagine you're winning 24 trades. You're only losing 6 trades and you're still not in a good winning streak. So that is just the risk to reward ratio, period. When you ukisha work on that, hata mwenyewe utashangaa.
Ni mimi kweli.
You'll find yourself most of the time you don't even have to take like 30 trades. Utajipata nikiwa nimetake 10 trades, I'm just okay.
But unajua 30 ni the whole month.
Which is nice, meaning you've been doing at least one trade a day.
Yes.
On average of, yeah, that is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sawa Vicky, you good night. Oh,
good day. What do you mean?
Wewe good day. Wacha mimi nimalize breakfast yangu alafu I'll go run some errands kidogo. Mimi I'm done for the day. I'm not looking at the market for any other thing. That is the goodness, and this is why now trading becomes scary to people. Yeah, asubuhi nikitoka hivyo I was just going to meet one of my friend alikuwa anapita. Then ananiuliza ndio naamka kwenda job. I'm like, unamaanisha aje kwenda job? Mimi nimeshaunda pesa yangu ya siku. I'm already done for the day. Nako like, unasema nini? Yeah, mimi jana usiku I got a good setup. I entered and I woke up in good money.
You're
So
done for, and it's good money for real.
yeah, so I like nitaenda kwa nani nikienda kwa mtu naenda kufanya kazi atanilipa pesa ngapi?
Hata hizi let's say whatever amount of cash umepata, sidhani kuna mtu anaweza lipa hiyo mtu at one day for 1 hour.
Hakuna mtu anaweza fanya kitu kama hiyo. So the worst part wanga inakuja now, what do you have to do for the day? Because now it seems to inakuwa like it's a boring day. You can sleep, you can do whatever you want to do, you can go randa ama ufanye anything. So unapata that dopamine effect of always wanting to be, I read this thing and I've been doing this thing and nikakuja kurealize because I've been trying to make my dad quit his job.
Okay.
And I came to realize the problem is si ati do yenye anapata kwa kazi ndio the effect. They are just addicted going to this place over and over and over again. So it's not about the money.
They're in a loop.
Yeah, hiyo loop ya kuamka asubuhi kwenda mahali fulani. So unapata siku yenye hajaenda ana feel hayuko sawa. That's why you'll find even somebody amequit kazi lakini will keep on going to that place to be visiting that area. So that is the biggest thing. So unapata kwa sisi traders kuna ile kitu ya market. So because we have the jumping market, it always wants to do something. So yes, I was in a good trade. I was able to get out. I was able to wake up in good money. But I'll find myself in the middle of the hapa kwa siku because I have a lot of free time. I still want to do what? To check at the charts, bado nataka kufanya nini. Then I'll find myself nime enter into a trade na nime give back that money. So this is why the discipline now that comes in, you try to find something else that can actually be occupying your time. Mimi siku hizi I do a lot of things. I go to volunteering activities. We do a lot of activity with my club. So ndio initoe kwa hiyo party ya I'm trying to channel my energy to something else.
Ukishapata unaridhika unaenda next. Unangoja the next setup jioni.
Yeah, like let me tell you, I've made around this is how much? Ooh, this is good money. I've made around $370.
That is like 50 something.
So do I need to go to work or to do any other thing? Like neza kaa
salary ya mtu 2 months.
Sorry?
Hiyo ni salary ya mtu.
So you see, even tomorrow if I don't have to trade, I don't have to trade the next day, but bado mimi my target is always at least 250 daily.
Okay.
You see? So with that unapata kuna a lot of and that's ukikaa na mtu hivi haizi amini like vijana
Ni uongo.
Yeah.
But I was reading a book. Ilikuwa nasema ati kama unataka kukuwa successful, aki usisikize stories za watu kama we mwenyewe hujajaribu na hujajionea.
Yeah, true.
Because watu wako na stereotype ya trading, I won't lie to you. Watu wako na words of doom towards trading.
Yeah, and that's why you have to silence the noise. Actually, mimi mara mingi even some of the people I walk around, watu wengine natembea na they don't even know jamaa anafanya nini. Unajuanga huyu jamaa ni digital marketer. That is always my cover nini? My cover skills. If I go to the club tunakonga na ile form of introducing yourself. Say who you are and what you do. So
Yes.
mimi tu pale I'm a digital marketer. And I'm actually a digital marketer because we're having a company. We are doing mimi mwenyewe ukiniuliza nimefanya hiyo kazi lini, I don't even remember. Because most of the kazi nimedelegate, nimepewa watu wengine.
Hey, but I'm really glad I met you. Hey, haki hizi vitu zote singekuwa najua.
Yeah, so everything it's always for on purpose and by purpose.
Like singekuwa nimelock in hivi, singekuwa consistent hivi.
It's good. You keep on pushing, keep doing it. You're going to see how things are going. We mwenyewe utashangaa.
Hadi naanza kushangaa.
Usishangae.
Because I can't
Usishangae.
even believe I'm the one who's reading the markets myself with no one telling me what to do.
Yeah.
He, hata si wewe nakupigia na kuuliza Kai, hii inaweza ingia, like just doing it. Mm.
And that is always the goal.
Yeah.
Somebody should actually teach you how to do it yourself, not to rely on you. That's why people will give you systems. Ili uendelee
To depend on
depend on
them.
them. So people only want you to join communities, uingie wakuwa nakwambia 1 2 3 will be selling you signal. Trust me. I've not seen any other person who is trading signal and is a profitable trader. They'll just shout outside there, but because if you're getting a signal na ujui signal ni ya nini,
Hata uelewi.
So what will you be doing?
True.
Look at Jifu. Do you have you been following Jifu?
No. Mi niliacha kuifollow last year.
Yeah.
Huko.
So everything went kaboom.
Wacha.
The AI scanners are no longer giving the ratios. Akina Jake wakatoka. So people were left crippled. Watu wajui sasa, okay, tunafanya nini?
Kwani hizo scanners zilifanya?
I think the programmers na watu wengine, I think the payment. Unajua, once people have started learning some things, kuna ile lagish uwanga inaingia. So maybe the company was not able to pay those guys, so wakaanza ku lag behind. Then wale ma strong leaders who are really building the business side started going off because I could realize this is not really doing it. Hivyo ndio kampuni inaendanga iki cripple down.
So Jifu ime cripple down sahi?
Yeah, like a very few people are now in Jifu and very new again. Wale wenye wajajua the system. Unajua sasa wale wanasemanga the new fish ndio wanga zinaumia. Nyinyi mnakuja mjui kuna watu walitoka hapo. Yeah, so you'll have to take like 4 months, 3 months to learn.
Na hiyo pia unajua time inasonga.
So by that unajipata you've been doing that thing for 2 years, 1 year. When the company does this, you still don't know how to trade by yourself.
Hey, Aki, for real. Because if I was still in Jifu, Aki singekuwa najua kutrade bado.
So the only thing you'll have to be looking for, another company will be created somewhere. You'll have to find a company again that has other scanners, zenye pia zina kutumia signals, such things. So you'll find yourself going over and over and over and over your journey like that.
Na ungelearn tu.
Take to your time, you be patient, you learn. But I came to realize pia a good number of people are not patient to be able to hold into this, to be doing this over and over and over again. People want instant gratification.
For real. Aki, for real.
Yeah. Mtu anataka leo akuje, anakwambia I've met several, like juzi hata nimepatana na mwingine ananiambia okay Dave, niko na 100k. Na ninaweza ifanya aje? I'm like, uko na 100k? Nikamuuliza tu ulisoma shule gani? Ulilipa pesa ngapi? Find somebody, pay that money, your 100k, stay for 3 years, 2 years, learn. You'll finally get your niko live pale YouTube. Mr. Nelson. Oh, yeah. Victoria hujaniambia I was streaming this thing live on YouTube. Oh yeah.
Mi sijui, mi sikuwa najua
This
una
was not supposed to be streamed.